In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chart of accounts in Odoo. To get started, open the accounting app from the Odoo dashboard. This is where you'll manage the core financial structure of your business, including the accounts used to record transactions. Once you're inside the accounting app, go to Configuration in the top menu, and then select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll see the list of existing accounts already created by Odoo. In most cases, these accounts are generated based on your company's accounting localization, which means Odoo has preloaded a structure that matches your country or region's accounting standards. Before making changes, it's a good idea to review these existing accounts so you understand what is already available and whether you need to add anything new. If you need to create a new account, click New. Odoo will open a form where you can enter the details for that account. Start by entering the account code. This code helps organize your accounts and makes them easier to identify in reports and day-to-day bookkeeping. Then enter the account name, using a clear and descriptive label so the purpose of the account is obvious. Next, select the appropriate account type. This is a very important part of the setup because it determines how the account behaves in your accounting and reporting. Depending on the purpose of the account, choose a type such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, or expenses. After that, configure any additional options that apply. For example, if the account needs to support matching payments and invoices, you may want to enable Allow Reconciliation. You can also select Default Taxes if this account should automatically apply a specific tax when it's used in transactions. This can save time and help keep your entries more consistent. Once everything looks correct, save the account. If you need more accounts, simply repeat the same process for each one. If you want to modify an existing account instead of creating a new one, go back to Configuration and then Chart of Accounts, and select the account you want to update. From there, edit the account details as needed and save your changes. As your Chart of Accounts grows, use the search bar and filters on the Chart of Accounts page to quickly find and organize specific accounts. This is especially helpful when working with a large number of records. Finally, review your completed chart of accounts carefully to make sure every account has the correct code, name, and account type. Taking a few extra moments here can help prevent reporting issues later on. Thanks for watching.